Here's something different for you guys. Making, for the tire shop, our own sales receipt. I designed this on the Canva program, and then I got carbonless paper, right? So now I'm printing it off, and once it's done printing, I'll show you how we get it together so it sticks together and makes our own little sales receipts, books, kinda. I don't have the book thing made, the cover, but this works. So I will show you this in a few minutes. Be right back. Okay, so now I've got everything printed off, as you can see, and then I'll show you. I always print one off just to ensure that you can write on it. I don't know if you can see that. Okay. So, once you get it all printed off, then you take them and you make sure that they're all even, right? I'm having problems with this because I think I might have to separate this. Well, maybe not. So then you put it on here. Like, this is what I'm using for today. Actually, I might have to turn this. Well, maybe not. Anyhow, you just make sure that everything still stays even, right? And then I'm gonna put this. So make sure everything stays even. And then I'm gonna put this on top. Trying not to disturb it too much, because, hang on, I don't like that, it moved over. Okay, so with this carbonless paper, it automatically knows that it goes in twos, right? When you put the glue on. Now you can buy the glue. Now we need some weight on here. So I'm going to use my stem cutter. It should be enough weight. So here's white glue. Basically, you can buy the on Amazon, or you can get, like the print shops buy, it's a pre-mix. Basically, all it is white glue. I learned this from my youngest son's uncle. I worked in his print shop with him. And, okay, I just gotta find something to stir that. So we dilute this glue with water. So, now I might have put too much, so I'll just add more glue. Right? I think I added too much. Maybe not. You just gotta keep stirring it. So then once I get this brushed on, you'll be able to tell, because it'll change colors here when you've got enough on there. So I'm gonna keep stirring this. I think we might be okay. Now I brought this brush here. Ooh. But I don't know. I can't remember what brush I used on the first set that I did. Okay, so let's see if this works. I'll move this over here because I don't want that on my cutter. So you just dip it in. Okay, guys. Okay, so let's move this out of the way. Okay, can you see the whole thing? There we go. So you just take it, and then you just rub it, you put it on there, like that. And just keep doing it. Okay, I'm going to start doing some at this end, because this end, I don't know if you can see the colors changing, but yeah. I'm going to do one more time, and I think that should be good. There. Once it's done, I'll show you guys, but that's all you do. Then you let it dry. I'm gonna let it sit most of the day. Hopefully it'll be done, say by dinner time, supper, and then I can cut up. I'll show you when I cut it on my fancy dancy cutting machine. Hand cutter, paper cutter. But that's it so far. We shall be back. Okay, you guys, here we go. Well, I think I had them too close. Hang on. Let's see if I can do it this way. There we go. But you see, the top and the bottom, I should have had it so it was out like this. So it stuck out so it didn't stick to the cardboard, but overall they worked. So it's just the bottom one got stuck on here, glued on there, but you see. And then you got, okay, so I'm going to move this out of the way, and we're going to see if we can cut this whole thing at once. I don't know. I'll be back. I'm going to put this here, and it's not the way to do it, but here we go. Let's see. Oh, it's too thick, so I had to try and take it apart and thin it out. So I'm going to go. Let's go. See how that just falls right apart? Okay, let's see. I'm trying to get it to center it right in there, so hopefully I can get that. Let's try it out. Hang on. I kind of have to have this so it's up a little bit. Maybe at need that even. Let's see if I can find a book or something. I got a whole bunch of recipe books here. Let's see if those will work. A couple more. I know. Let's see if this guy will help. Just gonna open them up. Well, let's try that. I still need something underneath that, so I'm gonna put these underneath. There we go. That kind of evens it out. Because it should cut it. I mean, it's a brand new one. Unless I have to come down some. Maybe it is too thick. See, the last time, I don't remember, I think I cut these all to size first. Which is, I'm pretty sure that's what I did. That's why I'm having problems this time. But that's okay. It'll still work. Okay, I'm going to cut that with the scissors. So they're going to have to go thinner. So I know better for next time. Let's see. Now this one I'm going to take off because I scribbled to test it. I always do a tester. And there we go. See? And that is it. I like this one because it got a little bit mangled. I'll tell my son, I screwed up. But you still can use them, right? It's just a little bit ripped. Okay. So, I'm going to have to... That's too bad, because I was hoping I could do them like all at once. See, that's better. That's how it should be. So I'm not trimming like the outside ones. I'm not gonna... I haven't decided if I'm gonna trim that. I might. I don't know. Because so we'll just keep them separate. So we try this one again. Thick one. Okay, I'm not gonna take the chance. This pig was like got a reasonably priced, but it's not cheap. I gotta get this done because we're going to be going out today. So I need to get it done so that... Because we're going to the shop today, so I gotta get this done. Get it to the shop. Okay, I'm gonna pause when I'm done. Okay, So I figured it out, guys. You keep that there, right? And then you hold down there like that. And I want to have this in a little bit more. Just a tad. No problems there. Oh, I screwed that up. So let's go like this. I messed up on this one. Yeah, there's going to be the odd ones that the glue didn't catch, but that's normal. I had to take them apart like that. I don't know, maybe I'll re-glue them when I get to... I might just do that. I'll see what my son wants me to do. Okay, now I gotta keep an eye on where I'm putting this so that maybe I'll mark it. Just a tad. So, I need something to mark it. I don't have a Sharpie. Right here. This one's got a lot more, so nope, too thick, still too thick. Huh. Oh, there's two there, that's why. It does not like the thick stuff. So it's good to know, because in that way I know not to glue it all together. Let's see. This one might be a little thick. There we go. You never know. He might be okay with them being singles anyway, because then he doesn't have to use the like this one. There's two there. I don't know. Maybe he might like it better this way. You know what? I think there's a little. I have a little friend in my room somewhere. Trying to find it. Okay, I'm gonna do that a little bit more. Yeah, it definitely works better with just a few. So it does make it go faster. Let's try this one. It's a little thicker. I'm not going to trim the top and the bottom. This time around I'm just going to leave it. Okay, well when I start the other batch I'll show you. All done.